Hi guys, and welcome to this video where we are going to show you the process in how you install permeable concrete, also known as no fines concrete. This is a base layer for resin bound surfacing to be laid upon. So in this video we are going to show you how the permeable concrete gets laid onto a driveway base layer and how you compact it and what it looks like when it's finished. So, hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video and please leave a comment. But we are going to be running you through and you're going to be seeing in real time the permeable concrete going down. Thank you very much.
So, as you can see here, we've got the volumetric concrete lorry that is going to spit out the no fines concrete into the wheelbarrow below via the chute, and that is our prepared area ready to go with our rakes in the middle. We'll put a couple of blocks by the front edge to ease the landing from the wheelbarrow, and then we're going to start filling the area up. So as you can see here, the concrete is starting to be wheelbarrowed out onto the area and tipped in small piles and then raked around to form a nice, even, consistent layer across the entire driveway. As you can see us here working the two corners so that we meet in the middle and then work across and then come out to the front of the driveway, creating a nice flat even level. So as you can see, while the guys are just giving it a final rake here, we're going over it with a compaction plate. We'll give it several passes to make sure it's fully compacted so that it can set hard, be a really strong layer for the resin to adhere to. And as you can see here, the guys going around the edges as well, just to make sure that everything's in nice and tight to the edges and reducing stone excess around the edges to minimise hammer and bolstering off at the end. Just giving the outside a nice clean off to make it as clean as possible until we come back before the resin and give everything a thorough jet wash.
So thanks for watching that, guys. And as you can see, the permeable concrete has been laid and it's gone absolutely rock solid. It's all hard now and it's ready for our resin bound layer. This is where the aggregate is bound together by the cement slurry. It sticks it together. It's really strong, really tough, really durable, and it's not prone to cracking or movement. And as you can see around the edges, i.e. the manhole, we've got 20 mil, so it's perfect for our resin bound, and we've got edges installed so that we can level off our resin bound and then trowel it in. And this gives an absolutely fantastic surface. As you can see, it's nice and flat, ready to go. Sometimes you can get a few extra stones that might be left over and they just come off with a hammer and bolster. Just give them a little chip. And also, before you install the resin bound surface, which will be in the next video that you'll see, there'll be some slight preparation. You might have to clean it, run the leaf blower over it to get any debris, dust, dirt off of it, and then it'll be ready for the resin bound surface. So look, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, seeing the process of this going down. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.